LifeLine Ambulance, Moses Lake, Detachment, breathing problem, 4400, block, Cindie Lane, Northeast, apartment 261455. COMM 5, ALS, breathing problem, 4400, block, Cindie Lane, Northeast, apartment 261456.
Fire District 5, Station 4.
Fire District 5, Station 4, ALS, breathing problem, 4400, block, Cindie Lane, Northeast,
14.
apartment 261456.
56.
Fire District 5, Station 1, ALS, breathing problem, 4400, block, Cindie Lane, Northeast, apartment 261457.
57.